Welcome to the latest episode of Manufacturing Insight. In today's episode, we explore the fascinating process behind the manufacturing of Hdpe blue drum regrind. Drums are then meticulously sorted and cleaned to remove any contaminants, ensuring that only the highest quality Hdpe material is used in the regrinding process. The blue drums are shredded into small pieces and fed into a grinding machine, where they undergo a process of size reduction and homogenization. High-density polyethylene, Hdpe high flexible or tight ron walla plastic high. Jo Axar alagalag upayago main istamal hoda high. Packaging se lekker construction tech. Parkia apnkabi sosha high key jab wonila drum ek bar apnaf kam pura kar lita high. To furkia hoda high.